Welcome to Amos Two Cents. Today I want to give you guys a little bit information about my cactus on that I have in my office. And these cactus, I was curious, like, okay, how I'm gonna take care of them, what they need, what type of soil they need, and all that information. Look at the beautiful weather, and there is a dove right there sitting on the porch. So it's nice weather out there. It was raining yesterday. So anyways, a few months back, what happened, almost 6 7 months ago, I bought these different cactus plants. Then I brought them home, and I just used the normal soil that you get for your flowers and vegetables from the Lowe's or Home Depot. I didn't get really any extra thing, and you can see right there. If you see right there, this is this normal soil I got in those $4 bags, and these cactus came in very small parts. So they were like this small. So 6 months ago, I got this one. Then I transported them in these pots. So when I got this cactus, these guys were not there. So all these are new grown ups. So these all you can see these. This is all new grown. So now and then I just put that soil that you get from Lowe's or Home Depot, normal one. They don't really have like extra, anything on top of that. So put that in, and then I put this cactus in these parts. Now this is also, you can see right there, this is all new grown branches. So in 6 months, I have seen this, like this is all new grown branches. This guy is a little different. So this kind of sheds those, the leaves. But these are all new leaves. These grew in the last 6 months. And the size of this cactus was way small. What you can see right now, this is pretty big right now. So maybe at one point I have to move this to another one. This cactus also, this has only 4 sides when I got it. So it was this one, that one, and this one, and here it was. Now there are 2 more sides. This part has grew in last 6 months or something. And there are another one right here that's growing as well. So you can see. Now I this with this cactus, I haven't seen like this growing like too big or something like that. I don't know if it does. But this is pretty, it has grown some. I can see the thickness. And this guy did grew a little bit, so this is also very beautiful cactus. I like it. So in my office, I don't know, somehow I want like cactus farm or something like that. So I wanted to have a lot of different variety of cactus. I love cactus actually. And this is the guy you see right there. This has grown so many different parts of it. So when I bought this one, this was very small, and now these are new. These are all new. That has grown, So what if you guys notice here, right there, this is all sand, and I went to my backyard. There is a trail, and that has a small kind of creek or river there, and there was this sand right there, and my kids they collected this sand, and then they brought it. So we put the extra layer of this sand here. I don't know if there is any purpose. This is doing one thing is very bad about this sand. Like I open this window sometime, and if the air comes, and this spread all over in my office, and then I have to clean. So you can see right there, this is also all that sand right there. Now, how often I water. So my son, he's very curious, like, hey, we need to water our cactus, and he forgets like for months. And I believe we water. There is no schedule like we water like every week or 2 weeks or three. Sometimes we water after every 2 weeks. Sometimes we water after like a month. And how much water? Very small amount. When we see that, like, oh, this is kind of getting wet and all that, the surface on top of it, and that's all we do. We don't give too much water to these cactus. And if you see the sunlight, this is the window I have right there. And what I do, I open this window in morning, And sometime if it is too hot, I close the window. I don't, sometimes this is totally closed all day, you know. And some days I open it, and the sunlight comes in. And then you see right now I have open actually all the way, because I wanted to get this some more light before, because I'm making this video. Now mostly I have this open till here, you know, halfway. And if sun is there, it get plenty of sunlight. So during, like, it start getting sunlight around like 9:30 ish, and then by 2, and it has the light, but it doesn't have direct sun exposure. So these cactus, if you notice here, they are all doing great. And so I have some extra plants as well, see right there. Then I have some extra plants here. I put that at the corner of my other table. This is aloe vera. This is also growing, you know. See right there, this is actually pretty big. These are all new branches, and I got this one like also like 3 months or something like that before. These all the other trees or plants actually are also doing great. And I watered these guys actually more. I'm water them every 2 or 3 days sometime. This is dying right now, so not sure, but that's also getting new leaves, so that's good. And yeah, and these are doing great. If you want to have cactus in your office or home, I don't see any problem like with them. Like they will die because you have used the normal soil that you got from Home Depot or Lowe's, and you did not get some specific soil. But I did this experiment with the normal soil. It's working great. You don't have to worry too much about water them all the time. And that's one of the things I did not get to worry. So I water them every 15 days or sometime, as I said, that after a month, and I forget, and nothing to worry about. So I hope you enjoy this, and have some learning lesson from here. If you want to grow cactus in your house, and it will help you know, to enjoy some beautiful plants in the house, and make you happy. And thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.